Welcome to our channel. If you want to use downloader codes to install apps on your Firestick device, follow these step-by-step instructions to safely expand your streaming options beyond the official App Store. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and navigate to the Settings menu from the home screen, then select My Fire TV or Device, depending on your model. Step 2. Choose Developer Options and enable both ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources, acknowledging the security warning that appears. Step 3. Return to the home screen and find the Downloader app in the app library, or install it from the Amazon App Store if not already present on your device. Step 4. Open the Downloader app and note the URL entry field where you'll enter the downloader code or website address for the app you want to install. Step 5. Carefully enter the downloader code or URL provided by the app source, ensuring accuracy to avoid downloading incorrect or potentially harmful files. Step 6. Wait for the file to download, then follow the installation prompts that appear, clicking Install when the package installer opens. Step 7. After installation completes, choose whether to delete the installation file to free up space, then click Done to finish the process. Step 8. Return to your Firestick home screen and locate the newly installed app in your app library, ensuring it functions properly before use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.